To install NordVPN on your Linux device, first go to nordvpn.com/download and click the Download button. Now, open the terminal and run the following command. Make sure to replace the pathToFile part with the actual path to the Downloads folder on your system. You will be asked to enter your root password. Enter the root password and wait for the package installation to finish before you proceed to the next step. Update the apt-get package list and install the NordVPN application by running these commands. After the installation finishes, log into your NordVPN account by running the following command: NordVPN login. Finally, you can connect by typing NordVPN connect.